we will see about recent development in school subjects. So now because of the technological world, there is a drastic change it is happening, right? So accordingly, school subjects has to be changed. The first thing is about the language education. Okay, in the language education, we can say that language teaching needs to be multilingual, not only in terms of number of languages offered to the children, but also in terms of evolving strategies that would use multilingual classroom as a source. Home language of children should be the medium of instruction in the school. That is what NEP 2020 says. Three language formula or two language formula need to be implemented in the spirit promoting multilingual communicative abilities for the multilingual country. So if you see today's scenario, child before coming to the school, the child might have learned the three languages. That is what the development we see today, right? In non-Hindi speaking states, children learn Hindi. In case of Hindi speaking states, children learn language not spoken in that area. At the later stage, study of classical and foreign language may be introduced. Language class could be offer stories, poems, songs, etc. Now we go to the mathematics. Okay, developing students' abilities in mathematics is main goal of mathematics education. The narrow aim of school mathematics is to understand the content of the topic. Higher aim is to develop child's resources to think and reason mathematically, to pursue assumptions of their logical conclusion and to handle abstraction. So vision of school mathematics. Right? What is the vision? We'll see this. Children learn to enjoy mathematics rather than fear it. Children see mathematics as something to talk about, to communicate through, to discuss among themselves, to work together. Children pose and solve meaningful problems. Children use abstractions to perceive relationship, to see structures, to reason out things. That means they should understand which is correct, which is wrong, like that. Children understand the basic structure of mathematics, the basic content area of school mathematics, all offer a methodology for abstraction, structuration, and generalization. Teachers engage every children in the class with the intention that everyone can learn mathematics. Right? Now we go to the science. Broadly speaking, the scientific method involves several interconnected steps: observation, looking for regularities and patterns, making hypotheses, deduce their consequence, verification or falsification of scientific theories. So we'll write it down. First is observation, and then looking for regularities, like regularities and pattern. Okay, patterns we can say, plural, making, sorry, Okay, it's making, right? Okay. Mm, what we left is observation, looking for regularities and patterns, making hypotheses, detecting their consequence, consequences. So when you talk about the hypothesis, we have to verify also, right? Verification or falsification. Okay, whenever hypothesis, we have to verify it, right? Falsification of scientific theories. Okay, so all this we use for the science development of the science. The law of science never viewed for fixed eternal truth. Science is not fixed eternal truth. This child should understand. Good science education is true to the child, true to life, true to science. Cognitive validity, content validity, process validity, historical validity, environmental validity, ethical validity, all you should do in the science, right? Then comes the computer science. The tremendous growth of computer and computing technology in shaping modern society has created the need for the educated people, educated public that can utilize such technology most effectively for the betterment of society and humankind. So if you see the next comes the social science. So the social science involves diverse concern of society and include a wide range of content drawn from the disciplines of history, geography, political science, economics, and sociology, and you can include anthropology also. Social science perspectives and knowledge are indispensable to building the knowledge base for a just and peaceful society. The content should aim at raising students' awareness through critically exploring and questioning a familiar social reality. Then comes the environmental science. So if we talk about the E, right, this is E. You can take a test. Now you can see that it's an environmental science. Environmental science refers to teach how natural environments function, how human beings can manage behavior and ecosystem to live sustainability. The main in environment, if we talk, it is main as sustainability. Sustainability is a keyword for environment. One of the most glaring problems which world faces, what is the environmental pollution. Another thing is population explosion, climate change and global warming, air pollution, deforestation, loss of biodiversity, natural resources depletion and unsustainable use of resources, water scarcity, increasing health risk due to the air and soil pollution, solid waste management, species extinction. So these all can be dealt in the environmental science. Next is the physical education and yoga. Now government stresses on yoga, right? So participation in physical activities and yoga is crucial for the holistic development of the child, and also it will nurture the physical, social, emotional health and also intellectual side, that is cognitive development. Cognitive development, what to say, psychomotor development and also emotional development also. So all this will help if the child is doing the physical education. So physical education and yoga are important part of overall development, that is holistic development of the child. So it should be a part of the social school curriculum. Games and sports inculcate qualities like leadership, discipline, sharing, teamwork, honesty, team spirit, tolerance, and many more among its participants. Games and sports such as national and international honors all should be included. So realization its importance. The curriculum experts started using means they have come to the conclusion that physical education is a must, and also yoga program. So the mindset of the parents are now to become more aware of the understanding of the important physically fit means yoga, physical fitness is very important. Even parents also understood. Yoga plays on important role in sports. Yoga, different asanas, pranayama, meditation, etc. are usually performed by sports person for various purposes in sports. Yoga improves concentration. It develops in physical fitness, improving body system and flexibility of the means effect, full body flexibility. Flexibility is the main gist of yoga. Hence, for all students, physical education in yoga is a must, right? So we'll see some. If you want, you can answer this question. Explain curricular knowledge and teaching approaches in school subjects. Explain how curriculum knowledge is imparted at different levels of school education. State the main lessons in the school lessons, its requirement. Next question is, what is the need to redesign school subjects? The last one is, mention the recent development in school subjects. This and all you can try. Now we'll go back to the our presentation, right? What we were seeing in the previous class. So we were learning about the modern curriculum, uh, uh, traditional and modern concept of curriculum, right? We are learning about the traditional concept of curriculum and modern concept of curriculum. Now we'll go to the next one. Definition of curriculum, right? A standards-based series of scheduled experiences known as curriculum. The curriculum curriculum allows students to practice. So